With all the incredibly depressing news going on right now in the blogging world with the Google updates and de-indexing and manual penalties, I wanted to share some really cool good news. Mediavine just sent me this email right now that you see on my screen with this new program called Journey. Mediavine is one of the best display ad networks. Most people go from Google Ads to something like Ezoic, which is great. A lot of my sites are on Ezoic, and then they move to Mediavine, and then Raptive is sort of the pinnacle for a lot of people. But Mediavine is awesome. I have one site on there, and I'm loving it. To get into Mediavine, you used to have 50,000 page views per month, which is pretty hard to get, especially when you're new. It took me years to get just one site there. With Journey, Mediavine is now expanding into different niches and site sizes. Site sizes is what I want to focus on because that's the good news. Now, all you need to do is to get at least 10,000 or more, which is still a lot, but it's a lot less than 50,000. I think that's great news. Mediavine is saying self-service. It won't pull any resources away from existing publishers. The first thing that you need to do is to install Grow, which is basically a way to get what's called, I think, first party data. And it helps you build a subscriber list. So the first step to get on Mediavine is to install Grow, which gives you a pool of authenticated traffic. You have to have Grow on your site for a minimum 30 days. So get started right away. Install Grow. I think it's completely free. You can do that with any size site. Once you have around 10,000 page views, apply to get onto Mediavine. So Grow for 30 days, 10,000 sessions, then get on to Mediavine. If you don't want to do Grow just yet, then wait till you are close to 10,000 sessions or you're at 10,000 sessions and then install Grow, wait 30 days, apply for Mediavine. Anyway, this is really good news. You can make great EMPV, great revenue from display ads with Mediavine. I wanted to share this good news. I hope you're excited as I am about this. To learn more, there'll be a link in the description of this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this news. Another video is coming up right now that I think will help you get to that 10,000 plus page views per month. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.